and adjust the temperature accordingly for optimal comfort and energy use. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI-powered CPS are increasingly becoming a part of our everyday lives. They're driving our cars, managing our power grids, and even monitoring our health. Take autonomous vehicles, for instance. They use a combination of sensors, GPS, and AI algorithms to navigate roads and traffic. Or consider smart grids, which use AI to optimize energy distribution, reducing waste and improving reliability. And in healthcare, AI-powered CPS can monitor patients' vital signs, predict potential health issues, and even assist in surgeries. With AI at the helm, these systems can make rapid, accurate decisions, enabling a higher level of interaction and integration between the digital and physical world. So, whether it's keeping our homes cozy, our commutes safe, or our health monitored, AI-powered cyber-physical systems are truly revolutionizing the way we interact with the world around us. The fusion of AI and cyber-physical systems is a game-changer, and here's why. These systems represent the tantalizing intersection of the physical and digital worlds. They leverage the power of artificial intelligence to interact with and influence our physical environment, acting as a bridge between the two realms. From smart grids managing energy distribution, autonomous vehicles navigating our roads, to advanced healthcare systems offering personalized care, these systems are already making their mark. Their potential is vast and transformative. They promise to revolutionize various industries and aspects of daily life. Imagine a world where transportation is seamless and efficient, energy is managed optimally, and healthcare is personalized and proactive. That's the world AI-powered cyber-physical systems are building. As we continue to blur the lines between physical and digital, AI-powered cyber-physical systems will lead the charge, redefining our interaction with the world around us.